50% cheaper.
So in case you are okay to drive a left-hand side drive car and a manual one, go for the manual one and try to rent it directly from the airport, because it will be more convenient to take it from the airport and leave it once you're flying back from the airport. So we are in Rila Monastery. It's free to enter, but there's also a history museum. So in case you want to go to the history museum, it's paid. But I think the charges are very minimum. They are around, I think, 5 or 8 lev per person. Look how beautiful this place is. So basically, right next to Rila Monastery, there's a small cafe from which we are going to have rose hip tea and lime tea. And this is their regular breakfast. What is it called?
This is a Bulgarian bread called metis.
And it's basically a fried bread, and you kind of have it with jam and cheese. And right now, I'm having it with thick jam.
It has cream cheese in it.
Why thick jam is green in color?
कच्चे फिक्के बनती होगी ना.
इसी के ऊपर लगा. Damn nice. It's quite nice, yeah?
It's called.
Must try if you're planning to visit. So guys, Akshat doesn't want to come with me because he's scared that we might slip and fall in ice. And I'm sure that's a high risk and high probability. But I'm still gonna do it because I'm seeing snow after a really long time. And that's him far away from snow and ice on actual concrete road, taking videos and pictures which are ultimately going to be used for my social media handle. Akshay, do you think it was worth the drive?
It was.
It was?
A good drive. Really nice one.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We highly recommend you guys to come here. Though it's a 2-hour drive, but it is worth the drive. Even the drive, the way, the roads, everything is beautiful. And you wouldn't regret coming here to Rila Monastery, trust me. There is beautiful stillness in this place, probably because there are less number of tourists and less number of people here. But this place really seems quite calm and serene. People also come on guided tours to Rila Monastery, so it's up to you. You can explore it on your own or you can book a guided tour. Are we heading back, Akshat? Okay, let's go. Bye, Rila Monastery. We'll see you, I don't know when next, but thank you for being so great and beautiful. Also, guys, just an important information. So when you come here, there are a lot of options to park your car, and for per car it charges around 5 liv for how much? How much time? For your visit. So yeah, it's not on early basis. Just come park your car, pay 5 liv, and your parking is sorted. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.